Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting this 2-car with optional baseboard and optional apron in Tampa. So as you can see, we're well into the grind here. We're getting a really good profile on this floor. We are going to fill those cut lines for a seamless surface. We also have the stair here, so you can see the grind coming along. So we are going to grind back these inspection ports and leave it for the customer so it can just get repainted and clean that all up along with the baseboard. You can see that last inch of concrete that we still have to grind. Okay, here's our project all finished up. Again, this is a 2-car garage in Tampa. They had the baseboard option done. We also included the stair in. Before we put the floor in. See what we did along the baseboard, along those inspection ports, and then we filled in the inspection ports and rounded back, and now they can paint that at a later date. Here's where Laura did around the utilities. Looks really good. Here's that stuck again. We square it up and round it over the leading edge. We do that every job. On this job, we did the apron, even though we don't recommend it. But the neighbor right next door had their apron done, so this customer wanted it done as well. So they do weather different. We put two coats of polyaspartic top coat on the apron to help it out. Get the longest life possible out of it. That really affects just the top coat, not necessarily the job. This color is Domino. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.